Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Your living room is the heart of your home, and nothing sets the tone quite like the perfect sofa. In 2025, natural colors are taking center stage, offering a timeless yet modern aesthetic that blends sophistication with comfort. Whether you're redesigning your space or simply looking for a refresh, embracing these top sofa color trends will instantly elevate your living room style. From soft earth tones to rich organic hues, this year's trending shades create a warm, inviting atmosphere while maintaining a luxurious feel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best natural sofa colors for 2025, perfect for making your space effortlessly stylish. Let's explore how these colors can transform your living room into a sanctuary of elegance and serenity. Warm beige. Beige is back and it's better than ever. This classic neutral has evolved from a simple background shade to a statement of quiet luxury. The 2025 trend embraces warm, sandy beige tones that exude coziness while maintaining a chic, upscale feel. This shade complements rustic, modern, and minimalist aesthetics, pairing beautifully with natural wood, linen textures, and soft accent colors like muted greens or warm grays. The rise of organic minimalism and the growing appreciation for soothing, grounding interiors have made beige the ultimate go-to color for sofas. It's the perfect canvas to showcase seasonal decor while maintaining a timeless appeal. Pair a warm beige sofa with textured throw pillows in earthy tones, a woven jute rug, and wooden accent tables to create a serene and inviting atmosphere. For a modern touch, incorporate metallic elements like brass or matte black. Olive green. If you want a color that blends nature's tranquility with high-end elegance, olive green is the way to go. This rich, organic shade instantly adds depth and sophistication to a space while maintaining a soft, welcoming vibe. Whether in plush velvet, textured linen, or classic cotton, an olive green sofa makes a bold yet soothing statement. As homeowners continue to embrace biophilic design, bringing nature indoors, olive green offers a seamless connection to the outdoors. It pairs beautifully with warm wood tones, brass accents, and soft neutral throws, creating an effortlessly stylish look. Complement your olive green sofa with earth tone throw blankets, rattan furniture, and large leafy plants like monstera or fiddle leaf figs. Add in cream or terracotta colored cushions for a balanced, nature-inspired space. Soft gray. Gray remains a staple in interior design, but in 2025 it's all about softer, warmer shades of gray. Think dove gray, greige, and mushroom tones, subtle hues that add depth and sophistication without overwhelming a space. A soft gray sofa acts as a perfect foundation piece, allowing you to mix and match different styles while keeping a refined, elegant look. Gray is the epitome of versatility. It works with nearly any color palette, from cool blues to warm ochres. The shift toward warmer undertones makes gray feel more inviting, effortlessly blending into modern, rustic, and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. Pair a soft gray sofa with muted pastel pillows, a faux fur throw, and metallic accent pieces in silver or gold for a contemporary touch. Layering in natural materials like wool and wood will add warmth and texture to the space. Are you loving these natural sofa trends for 2025? If you haven't already, take a moment to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest home decor inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which color speaks to your style the most. Terracotta. For those who love a little more depth and warmth in their decor, terracotta is making waves in 2025. This rich, earthy shade brings an instant sense of coziness while adding a subtle pop of color. Whether in a sleek mid-century modern design or a soft, overstuffed silhouette, a terracotta sofa enhances any living space with its warm, sun-kissed charm. Inspired by Mediterranean and Southwestern aesthetics, terracotta sofas add an artisanal, handcrafted feel to interiors. The color pairs beautifully with creams, deep blues, and organic textures, making it a stunning choice for those who want a cozy yet stylish space. Combine a terracotta sofa with woven baskets, textured wall art, and soft beige throws for a harmonious, bohemian look. Layering in dark wood and leather elements can also enhance the rich, organic feel of the space. Cocoa Brown. Brown is making a major comeback, and in 2025, the star of the show is cocoa brown. This rich, velvety hue exudes warmth, sophistication, and a sense of understated luxury. Whether you prefer a leather sofa for a classic touch or a plush fabric option for maximum comfort, cocoa brown is both grounding and elegant. As people seek more organic, nature-inspired interiors, deep brown shades create a cozy yet refined aesthetic. Cocoa brown pairs effortlessly with creams, deep greens, and even soft blues, making it a perfect color choice for those who love a timeless, curated look. Layer a cocoa brown sofa with deep green or mustard-colored pillows, a chunky knit throw, and rustic wooden coffee tables for a cozy yet elevated look. Adding vintage-style lighting and woven rugs will further enhance the warmth of the space. In 2025, natural tones are redefining interior elegance, proving that organic hues are anything but boring. Whether you're drawn to the timeless beauty of warm beige, the earthy sophistication of olive green, or the bold richness of cocoa brown, there's a perfect shade for every home. These trending sofa colors create inviting, stylish spaces while offering versatility that stands the test of time. Which of these colors is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more stylish home decor tips. Until next time, happy decorating!